AIP/PAI theorem. So these two theorems says if these two lines are parallel, then angle 1 and angle 2 is going to be congruent. That is PAI theorem, right? Because you started out with two lines are parallel. If you started out with angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent, then these two lines must be parallel. So that's the AIP theorem. So let's take a look. So this is going to be AIP theorem. So we're going to start it out with the alternate interior angle. That's what AI stands for. And if this is 30 degrees, and if alternate interior angles are 30 degrees, then that tells us that these two lines is going to be parallel. However, if you look at this example, these 60 degrees alternate interior angles are not equal. Therefore, we cannot say these two, well, therefore these two lines is going to be intersect somewhere, or it's going to be parallel. It's not going to be parallel. And let's take a look at this. So here, we're going to use PAI theorem because we know that these two lines are parallel, and this guy is 60 degrees. Therefore, we can tell that this alternate interior angles will be exactly the same, which is 60 degrees. Now, if we use some vertical angles theorem, the combination of those two theorems, then we can tell that this is going to be 60 degrees, just like this one, right? And now, this guy has to be 120 degrees because these two angles have to add up to 120. And then if you look at this angle, that has to be 120 degrees, right? Because these two has to add up to 120. And if you look at it, that's the vertical angles. And same logic applies here. So if these two lines are parallel, this set of four angles is going to be exactly the same as this set of four angles.